Imagine a 3-story temple wrapped in pure gold, mirrored perfectly on a quiet pond in Kyoto. This is Kinkaku-ji, the temple of the Golden Pavilion. At first glance, it looks like something from a fairy tale, but its real story includes political power, war, destruction, and one of the most dramatic chapters in Japanese history. The site began life in the 1200s as a lavish, aristocratic villa called Kitayama-dai, owned by the powerful statesman Sayonji Kitsune. In 1397, the shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu purchased the property and transformed it into a magnificent retirement estate. By 1399, the Golden Pavilion had become the centerpiece of the complex. After Yoshimitsu's death, his son fulfilled his wishes and converted the estate into a Zen Buddhist temple. But the gold was never meant to be merely decorative. The gold leaf covering the upper floors was believed to purify negative thoughts and feelings associated with death. During the Muromachi period, beauty carried spiritual meaning. The pavilion was designed so that sunlight would shimmer across its golden surface and dance on the pond below, creating an ever-changing spectacle. Yet despite its beauty, the Golden Pavilion has survived repeated disasters. During the Onin War, nearly every structure in the complex was destroyed. Remarkably, the Golden Pavilion itself survived. But centuries later, tragedy struck. In the early hours of July 2, 1950, a young novice monk set the pavilion on fire, reducing the original structure to ashes. The shocking event later inspired Yukio Mishima to write the famous novel, The Temple of the Golden Pavilion. The pavilion standing here today is not the original. It was rebuilt in 1955 as a close reconstruction of the historic structure. Rising about 12.5 meters, or roughly 40 feet high, each of its 3 floors reflects a different architectural style, blending the tastes of different eras into a single building. Between 1986 and 1987, restorers applied 20 kilograms of gold leaf, 5 times thicker and 10 times heavier than the previous coating, giving the pavilion the brilliant appearance visitors admire today. The roof was restored again in 2003, helping preserve this landmark for future generations. Today, Kinkaku-ji is part of the UNESCO World Heritage listing known as the Historic Monuments of Ancient Kyoto, a collection of 17 treasured sites that represent more than 1,000 years of Japanese culture. What makes Kinkaku-ji remarkable is not just its gold. It is the fact that after centuries of war, fire, and rebuilding, it still reflects peacefully in the same pond, connecting modern visitors with a story that began more than 600 years ago. If you ever visit Kyoto, make time for this golden masterpiece, and subscribe for more bite-sized journeys through the world's most fascinating landmarks.